Hello guys, in mastering the basics of Arduino programming, function is another important concept you have to learn. So to achieve this is a multiple LED blink pattern project. It will help you understand how to use function or how to implement functions in any program that you're writing, because functions will help you organize your code by breaking it down tasks into smaller or reusable blocks. This modularity that function brings helps make any program or code that you're writing easier to read, maintain, and debug. So in this project, I implemented a function call for the different LED patterns. First, to blink all the LEDs, all right, as you can see. And I also implemented a function for the simultaneous blinking. I also implemented a function for the alternating blinking, and also a function for the wave effect that you're seeing from the project. So working on a project like this will help you understand the concept of functions and how you can implement them on subsequent projects or even more complex projects than the multiple LED blink pattern. But this is a simple project that can help you understand the concept of functions without having to break the bank to buy a lot of expensive components. With a project like this, you can understand functions and use them in complex projects. So thank you for watching, and bye-bye.